News that's coming in from Jammu and Kashmir. Two Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists have been killed in the encounter that took place in Pulwama. After 3 Lashkar terrorists were killed in Shopian, Jaish and Lashkar terrorists are now dropping like flies across Jammu and Kashmir. Jaish-e-Mohammed, Lashkar-e-Taiba, the terrorists from these organizations are now in Jammu and Kashmir and they are dropping like flies. Forces are gunning down Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorist in Pulwama. One more Jaish terrorist trapped in thrall as we speak. This is the big encounter that we are seeing taking place. At least 2 encounters have taken place over the last 48 hours and 2 Jaish terrorists have now been killed in an encounter in Pulwama. Earlier, 3 Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorists were gunned down in Shopian. Forces are gunning down Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorist in Pulwama. Jaish and one more terrorist affiliated with Jaish-e-Mohammed is now trapped in Thrall region. My colleague Mir is now joining me on the story. Mir, the agencies are on high alert. One after the other, we are hearing news of encounters coming in. One after the other, the terrorists are dropping down like flies.
Yes, Aishwarya, in fact, this is exactly what we had reported, that the security forces have been given a free hand and they have been told to go after the cadre of Jaish and Lashkar, especially in South Kashmir. Post Pahalgam, they were told to up the ante, and we've seen while there was a break, there was a lull when there were border tensions and war-like situation. But post ceasefire, now security forces have started the operation South Kashmir one after the other. As you rightly said, just a couple of days back in Shopian, 3 Lashkar local cadre were gunned down. A lot of ammunition, arms recovered from there. And now this morning, we has another operation in Thrall. This is the Nadir village of Thrall where this operation started. Joint ops of Army, Police, CRPF, and we reported about the fact that one of them was gunned down. Now I can confirm to you that 2 dead bodies can be seen very close to the encounter site. Sources say that they have been spotted in the drone footage. And now, while there is still gunfire that is coming in from the location, so that tells you that there could be at least one more who's hiding there. Initially, also, we got inputs that there were 3 against whom intel was generated. So 3 is the possibility. There could be more, but at least 3, and 2 of whom have been gunned down. Identities will be ascertained in some time once the bodies are located, their belongings checked. But our sources say there could be local cadre of the Jaish-e-Mohammed. Aishwarya?
Thank you, Mir, giving us all those details. And as my colleague was pointing out, there is intel that at the moment says that there could be more terrorists spread across Jammu and Kashmir. One after the other, the terrorists are now being gunned down by our forces.